bringing Pinion to get our truck re-geared. So we should be there in the next couple of minutes to drop off the truck and talk to the guys there, and then I guess we'll leave the truck and pick it up tomorrow, and we'll see how it goes. So yep, we'll see you guys once I pick up the truck. Alright guys, so talked to the people, left the truck, we're gonna leave it here, and we'll see you back pretty soon. Hopefully everything goes smoothly, and that'll be that. We'll continue with our journey in building my truck, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I just updated my Intune i2, and we're gonna set the truck's gears to 373s. So we're gonna put it on but not started, and then we're gonna go into the settings, click yes, tune vehicle. Please ensure the key is in the run position but do not start the engine. Click continue. No, Matthew, don't touch anything.
I need to go to the restroom.
Oh, you have to wait. Advanced tune. I think that's where we gotta go. And I don't remember where it's at. It's been a while since I messed with it. Alright, so it's under the speed calibration, axle ratio. We're gonna go up. See, mine came with 323s. We're gonna go up to oops, too far. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright guys, we're gonna have to go down little by little, cause
What you did?
oh, nothing, I'm just recording something.
Oh.
373. Safe. Tire size, I think we already have it at the, thought I had already put in what it was. And that's about it. I'm not gonna mess with anything else. We're just gonna go back, apply tune, and then it's gonna give us some commands to turn off the truck and such. So we'll just
Papa, how you did the build?
ahorita. So we're just gonna wait.
I'm stuck.
Hopefully this will make a difference on the truck. I just ran it like 3 times now, 4 times. So I need to run it again before I can really just drive it normal. So I've been going at it easy. And after 500 miles, so right now I'm at 108,376. So once I hit 108,800, I'm going to change the oil in the differential. So that's please turn the ignition off and then hit continue. So turn it off, hit continue, and then it's gonna say turn it back on. It's on, hit continue.
How do you get out me?
Turn it off.
Turn it off?
Hit continue. I think it does it like 3 times. Turn it on. Hit continue.
How to get out of me?
There it goes. So it's gonna ride the tune, and
Get it.
then
What?
we're just gonna wait, see what happens.
I need to get out. Because I need to go to the restroom.
No, you don't. You're lying. You just went to the restroom like 2 minutes ago. It does take a little while, but be patient. Don't unplug it. Don't turn off the truck. If you do, it could be issues. Your computer in the truck could get blocked. Frozen or bricked, and then you're gonna have to send it in to get it fixed.
I want to get out.
So just don't mess with it while it's doing its own thing. Just leave it. Don't even move. It says tuning complete. You may unplug the tool and enjoy your driving. So I'm gonna click continue, and then it's gonna reboot. This is what I usually do before I unplug it, just to be on the safe side. And then once it reboots, I unplug it and plug it back in, just to make sure everything's good. And there are a lot of settings on this thing that you can change, but I don't go into that because I don't know any of that. So I fixed the tire size, the gear size now, and I also turn off active fuel management, and I increase the throttle by 10% or something like that. So I'm gonna unplug the little tool. It's got two little tabs on the sides. And oops, sorry. And it technically should be good to go, so we're just gonna turn it off. Turn it back on.
Whoa! Where are we going, Pico?
I'm gonna unplug it, plug it from the OBD2. And we're gonna take a little drive just to see how it feels.
Let's drive. Let's go.
Just gonna go down the block. So we're just going down the block just to see how it feels. But like I said, I'm not gonna be stepping on it, so just smooth right now. Hopefully by Sunday, tomorrow I gotta do a couple drives, so that'll be another more break-ins, and then on Sunday I'll step on it a little. I've never been too rough on the truck anyways, so I don't wanna change that. So, but overall I do feel like it's faster. I don't know, like when I press the gas, I do feel like it goes faster. I guess it responds faster than it used to. But it could be just me. I don't know if it's just my head or if it's true. But anyways, we'll see you guys in a couple days once I do the oil change on the differential.